Assalamualikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. So in today's class, we'll just rewind the summary of the i'rab of nouns. Summary of the i'rab of the nouns. So in this one, we'll be studying about the two charts. So one chart will be of the Muslimun, another chart will be of all types of i'rab of noun. All types of i'rab of nouns we'll be studying, inshallah. And after finishing this, we'll be going through some of the examples from the Holy Quran. So let us see the first chart of, that is Muslimun. So we'll see the i'rab of the nouns in all the three states, that is in the marfu state, in the mansub state, and in the majrur state, in the singular, dual and plural, and in masculine and feminine nouns. So let us first deal with the individual, that is in the singular nouns. First, masculine nouns. In the marfu state, it is Muslimun, that is by two pesh we can see, that is it is in the marfu state. And this is Musliman, by double zabar you can see, or double fatha you can see, it is in the mansub state. And in the majrur state, it is Muslimin. So singular form Muslimun, Musliman and Muslimin. In the mansub state, you can see whenever you are adding double fatha, we need to add one alif of protection. Okay, so it is in the case of masculine singulars. Now feminine singular, it is Muslimatun, that is you can see the close tha at the end, so it is Muslimatun. Now in the mansub state, it is Muslimatan, that is double fatha you can see. But in feminine case, there is no need of adding, that is we have added one alif of protection. This alif of protection is not required in the mansub state in feminine nouns. Muslimatin, that is double kasra you can see, it is in the majrur state. Now coming to the dual nouns. In the masculine, it is Muslimani. Okay, alif noon. By seeing that alif noon, you can say that it is in the marfu state. Now Muslimaini, ya noon with a kasra in the mansub state. And in the majrur state, it is Muslimaini, ya noon with a kasra. It is in the masculine. In the feminine, the dual nouns, marfu state, how you to identify? Muslimatani, that is the close tha here. Open that close tha and add alif noon with a kasra. So it is Muslimatani. And in the mansub state, similarly, open the close tha and it is ya noon at the end, zir, that is kasra should be added, that is Muslimataini in the mansub state. And in the majrur state, it is Muslimataini. Similarly, ya noon with a kasra should be added and the close tha is opened and ya noon with a kasra should be added. So it is in the feminine dual nouns Muslimatani, Muslimataini and Muslimataini. Now masculine plurals Muslimuna. So waw noon, by seeing that waw noon, we can say that it is in the marfu state, that is the plural. Masculine plural is in the marfu state. Now in the mansub state, it is Muslimina, ya noon with a fatha in the mansub state. Now in the majrur state, it is Muslimina, that is ya noon with a fatha. So these are masculine plural nouns in all the three states. Now masculine feminine nouns Muslimatani, Muslimatun, that is the close tha here, it is there, completely the close tha is removed. In the dual nouns, the close tha is opened, but in the plural nouns in feminine, the close tha is completely removed and alif ta with a double dhamma should be added. So it is Muslimatun in the marfu state. In the mansub state, it is Muslimatin. Okay, the close tha is removed and alif ta with double kasra should be added in the mansub state. And in the majrur state, similarly, Muslimatin, that is the close tha is removed and alif ta with a tanwin with a double kasra should be added in the majrur state. So this is entire about the triptotes, that is the nouns which shows all the three signs in all the three forms, that is in the marfu form, in the mansub form and in the majrur form. So this is the Muslimun chart where we have studied about the singular nouns, dual nouns and the plural nouns. At the same time, we have studied all the three states of the nouns in the masculine and in the feminine nouns. Now we can see this chart. It is a gist or synopsis of all the i'rab of the nouns that we have studied so far. So in that is, first we have studied about the declination of the nouns, that is triptote, that is they decline, they show three signs. Diptote means they show two signs, and mabni, that they don't show any sign. So let us see the triptotes, that is Muslimun in the marfu state, in the mansub state Musliman, and in the majrur state it is Muslimin. And diptotes, that is they show only two signs. In the marfu state it is Ibrahimu, that is dhamma you can see. In the mansub state it is Ibrahima, that is fatha you can see. And in the majrur state also it is Ibrahima, that is fatha can be. No kasra is Ibrahimi, no. But here also fatha is seen. So this mamnu min as-sarf is also known as diptotes. These diptotes will be having only two signs. And this last one is hazihi. Hazihi, this is mabni, that is they don't show any sign in any state, that is in the marfu state or in the mansub state or in the majrur state. They will not be showing any sign. That's why we use the term in place of fi mahalli raf. Hazihi fi mahalli raf. Hazihi fi mahalli nasb. Hazihi fi mahalli jar. And in the dual nouns we have already seen muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini. And in the plural nouns there is muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. And feminine plurals muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin. So pronouns are also there. We'll study in the pronoun. And this is asmaul khamsa. And the last category is Asmaul Khamsa, as we have studied Abun, Akhun, Famun. So similarly, these nouns, when they are in the possessive phrases we study in phrases topic. But as of now, you can identify these nouns, that is Asmaul Khamsa, in the marfu state by waw, in the mansub state by alif, and in the majrur state by ya. So these are a summary of all the era of the nouns so far we have studied. So after finishing this, just you open the Quran and just go through all the states, that is the marfu state, mansub state, and the majrur state. First identify a noun and then identify its era, whether it is in the marfu state, mansub state, and majrur state. How to identify? You can see all these signs. By these signs you can identify in which state they are. Then identify their number. Okay, they are dual nouns, singular nouns, or plural nouns. Then identify their gender, that is masculine or feminine. Masculine, by default all nouns are masculine, and feminine means by seeing the closed thigh at the end we can make out that the given noun is a feminine or masculine. Okay, inshallah, next class we'll be starting with particles, that is huruf. Then inshallah after that we'll be completing the verbs. Ma'assalam.